what's going on, everybody? So today I'm going to show you how to update your Python 3 version to a more recent version. So for example, if you're running like Python 3.6 like I am, and you want to update it to Python 3.8, you would just follow along. And also, for example, right now if I type in for me, so if I type in Python 3, Python 3.6 is what the default is for that alias. So for the Python 3 alias, whenever I type that in, that command, actually the Python 3.6.9 version pops up. See right here? So what I want is I want that to say, I want to start using, I actually want it to be the Python 3.8 version instead of the 3.6. So we're also going to be covering that. Okay. So 4 or 5 easy steps. First step, check your current version of Python. So Python 3-V, uppercase V. Okay, and so it's telling me I'm running Python 3.6.9. And so what you want to do now is install Python 3.8 or whatever the current version of Python is, which is at the time of writing this, for me it's 3.8. So I'm going to type in sudo apt-get install Python 3.8. Hit enter. I actually already installed it. Hit enter. Then something's going to come up asking you to if you want to if you actually want to install it, click Y and then hit enter and wait for it to install, and then meet me at the next step. Alright, so step number 2 is add Python 3.6 or whatever your current version of Python was that popped up. Add Python 3.6 or whatever your current version is that you're using right now. Not that you want to change it to, but the 3.6 or whatever your current version is, the default version. And so we're going to add Python 3.6 and Python 3.8, which is my current, my most up-to-date version is 3.8. So that's the one I'm changing it to. Okay, so the older version that you have and the new version that you want to change it to. So we're going to add these to the update alternatives. So I'm going to type in sudo update dash alternatives dash install /user /bin /python 3. Space python 3 space /user /bin /python 3.6. Space, and I'm gonna add a 1 next to the older version. Okay, so I forgot an S. To the end of alternatives. Says alright, so that's fine. And then now I'm gonna change, I'm gonna type that in again, but then I'll put 3.8 and space. So we're gonna do the second one now. This line. And we're gonna add a 2. Enter. Okay, so now we're going to update Python 3 to point to the current version of Python you're upgrading to. So sudo update alternatives dash config python3. Alright, so you're gonna hit 2 for the most recent version of Python. Since it's 3.8, we want to use 2, so hit 2, enter, and then we're gonna test it. And as you see now, our most recent version is our default version. Alright. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe, and happy coding.